How to create histogram in SPSS. For creating histogram in SPSS, first you make sure your data is metric. So you have a metric data. In this sheet of SPSS, we have a data, exam scores and gender, and we want to draw a histogram graph on exam score, and exam score is the interval data. So for drawing histogram, first click graph, legacy, histogram. So you shift the exam scores to variable box with the help of this arrow and press the button OK, and you see in output histogram graph will appear. And now you can give title to this graph. So you give, for this again you have to go or click graph, legacy, histo, and press the button title. And you see you can assign title, and in first title, subtitle, or footnotes. So we can do this one by one. In first title, we are assigning the name histogram of the student's examination score. Press the button continue, press the button OK, and now title will appear on the graph, histogram of the student's examination score. Now you want to give more description to your title. For this again repeat the same procedure, graph, legacy, histo. Press the button title, and here you will add the name class of MPhil students. In lane 2 you will assigning and description of the title class of MPhil students. Press the button continue, OK, and you will check the graph. Now in graph, class of MPhil students is appeared. So it has been added to the graph. Now you give subtitle to this graph. For this you will go graph, legacy dialog, and histogram. Press titles, and in subtitles you will assigning midterm examination. Midterm examination. So press the button continue, press the button OK, and you will check midterm examination. So midterm examination has been added to the, it is the subtitle and has been added to graph. Now you assign footnote. For assigning this again click graph, legacy, histogram, titles, and here in footnotes we want to add subjects of psychology. In footnotes you see line 1 and line 2. In line 1 we added subjects of psychology, and in line 2 we are going to add another information, which is the theory paper. So how can we add this information to this histogram? You see you have added title of to this graph, subtitle to this graph, footnote to his subject of psychology. Now you want to add some other footnote. For this again click graph, legacy, histogram, titles, and second lane theory paper, continue, OK. Now you will make sure footnotes have been added to this graph. Now you can see in output subjects of psychology and theory paper. Now in this way you can add title to your graph and subtitle to your graph, and you see in PowerPoint. First we have entered the exam scores in variable box, then graph will appear in output, then added the main title of the to the graph, subtitle of to the graph, and main title, subtitle, midterm exam, and footnote. At the end, if you want to give a normal if you want to draw a normal distribution curve on histogram, you can draw it by this procedure. Click graph, legacy, histo. You will check display normal curve. Press the button OK, and in output you see normal curve have been appeared on this curve. So in this way you can make graph in SPSS and add title to your graph. Hope this video would be helpful in understanding how to make a graph in SPSS. Thank you for watching the video.